Hi, John Higgins with Best Choice Lending here with another tip on how to build your brand, grow your business, and generate leads. Today we're going to talk about the Open House app. Our Open House app is an amazing prospecting tool that'll transform the way that you hold your open house. I've said it before, but this time we've really done it. We've built the better mousetrap. You'll be able to build your database with genuine, quantifiable buyer leads. In addition, our app will keep you safe. So watch the video, enjoy, and call your loan officer to get this set up immediately.
Today we're going to talk about our open house registration app. Do you want more prospects? Are you looking to get more leads for your business? Open houses are the easiest way to do it. 47% of buyers say that they actually got information still from going out to open houses. They work, so that's almost 50% of buyers. So the reality is that if you're not capturing info when buyers come into your open house, shame on you. It's actually a security threat. And the thing that we have to think about is that when people are coming into the house, we have every right to demand their information. So it's a win-win. Number one, we're protecting our sellers. And number two, we're actually able to help the customer because we have their information. We can't help people if we don't have their info. The other thing I want to impart about open houses with registration apps and registration is that you guys, these people are vetting you, okay? So if I'm a neighbor and I'm thinking about listing a house, I might be vetting the realtors by going to open houses and seeing if there's any good agents I can hire to list my house. If you are a commanding presence, you demand that people register for security purposes for the seller, you describe the house really well, you stage it right, you've done a lot of great things, you're going to get so many more listings. I used to get so many listings from my listings. So you want to use your listings to have listing babies. Pretty simple. So our open house registration app, where is it? So what it is if you go to LookieLeads.com, LookieLeads.com, that is where our registration app is. And so it's basically, it's connected to agent marketing, but it's on its own URL, so when you're out in the field, you can actually use it. So if you go to LookieLeads.com, you just click the join button. Real simple. And when you click the join button, what you're going to see is either I have an account or just sign me up. If you sign up without the account, you have to add the properties manually. So the best way to do it is to say, I have an account. And as soon as you do that, it syncs it on up. When it syncs it, what it does is it first asks you for your login and password, okay? And which I have these two reversed. The bottom one is the login and password. As soon as you do that, it says, oh, connected. You'll get a little green checkbox. And then as soon as you're connected, you can actually go and add a property. When you add a property, you'll see it in a property list like this. And all you do, because it's pulling right from agent marketing, so it's got all your properties synced automatically. You don't have to do anything. And you just pick your property. So, boom. Once you pick it, it brings up the information. You could add more info or edit it if you'd like. And then you click the Start Open House button. So really simple. So go to LookieLeads.com, click the join. I already have an account. Put in your account information. And as an agent, now you have to have an agent account in agentmarketing.com. If you don't have an agent account, then there's nothing to sync because there's no properties. So if you have an agent account, it'll connect the dots. You then pick your property and start open house. In the future, when you come back, make sure you bookmark the login and password, because what's so great about this is that once you click start open house, okay, it now creates a registration page. The registration page is really cool because it's simple. It works on your phone. It works on your iPad, your tablet, your laptop. It's optimized for whatever device you're on. And what's great about it, it does need an internet connection, but that's because we do a lot of things when the buyer puts in the information or the potential sellers. When people register, okay, so someone comes into your open house and you say, hello, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Chris Bates, so glad to have you at my open house today. Do me a favor, for security purposes, the sellers require that you sign in, right? If they don't want to sign in, don't let them come in, period. End of story. You know, I feel strongly about this because you guys, the number one security threat is theft. And I'm not sure if it's still this way, but it used to be jewelry, prescription drugs, things like that people look for. So just make sure you put that stuff away if you're having an open house. But you do want to know who is there. That way, if anything ever did go down, you would know who was in your property, okay? But when they register, as soon as they're done, okay, Oh, and this shows how it's optimized for a phone and tablet. You're going to send them a text right to their phone. Now, you don't do it. Our system does it, okay? It's optimized. You can put it on your phone, but bam, right on their phone, they get the bedroom space, price, square foot, everything. They have a link to a mobile phone website. So imagine this scenario, okay? You have the buyers register, or the potential sellers. As soon as they register, their phone, I just sent you the information on the property. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, there's a mobile version. There's pictures. There's all that. You can even look at it on your desktop. And do me a favor, if you like it, share your spouse, or maybe you can share it with your friends and family or anything like that. We'd sure love to sell this house. So what's great is that you're giving them takeaway. It's much better than a flyer because it's digital. They can see all the pictures. They're going to be very impressed by you. Then your phone goes off because you just got a text with their information. So then you can kind of discuss that with them if you'd like, and depend upon your rapport. They say, oh, I just got your information, so if you'd like any more, real estate information or anything, just let me know. Enjoy the house. Lastly, we take that lead, we put it into our CRM automatically, so you can actually put them on auto drip campaigns. So you can create email letters, you can do all sorts of neat things, put them in the task manager, put them on auto email drips, all that kind of stuff. So when you collect leads, it goes straight into our lead manager. It sends the buyer a text. It does one last thing. I want you to say to the buyer or seller, oh, by the way, I've also emailed you a showing feedback request. So if you wouldn't mind, the sellers would love to know what you think about the property. So you can just fill it out and be as candid as you like, because we really want to know exactly how you feel. You guys, it's going to go huge, because I'll tell you what. Here's the thing. Number one, when you get feedback, it makes your sellers happier, okay? It also allows you to know, does the property actually need some cosmetic work that we can do, or is it just price? What is it that people are feeling? But more importantly about the showing feedback, and let me show you how that looks, is that it tells the potential neighbors or sellers how awesome you are as an agent. And the big thing we want to do is wow the public, okay? We want your sellers to appreciate you. We want the public to want to list with you. We want the buyers to trust you because you're a tech savvy, you're commanding, you give them the information they want, all that good stuff. So we email this automatically. After they fill out that questionnaire, you can then log in and you can actually run reports and charts and graphs and all sorts of neat things on the questionnaire that they filled out. So how cool is that? Open House app, it's free to use, it's connected to everything, and it pulls automatically. It'll get you tons of leads, connected to the email auto drip, and you're good to go.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for staying to the end. Remember, you can contact the loan officer that set you up in agent marketing for all these tools. Happy prospecting.